Have you ever wondered why girls never get tired of applying Mehndi? Whether it's a wedding, festival, birthday, engagement, baby shower, or even a casual family function, Mehndi is always part of the celebration. But why? Let's talk about the real reasons. First of all, Mehndi is more than just body art. It represents happiness, celebration, beauty, and tradition. Unlike permanent tattoos, Mehndi lets you decorate your hands and feet without any long-term commitment. You can enjoy a beautiful design today, and after a couple of weeks, it naturally fades away, making room for a brand new design next time. Another reason girls love Mehndi is because it instantly boosts confidence. Even a simple floral pattern can make your hands look elegant and stylish. Many girls feel more dressed up with Mehndi, even if they're wearing a simple outfit. It's like adding the perfect accessory that never goes out of fashion. For weddings, Mehndi has a very special place. In many cultures, it's believed to bring good luck, prosperity, and happiness to the bride. The famous tradition says the darker the Mehndi stain, the stronger the love between the couple. While this is a fun cultural belief rather than a scientific fact, it adds excitement to the entire celebration. Festivals like Diwali, Eid, Karwa Chauth, Tej, and many others are also incomplete without Mehndi. Applying Mehndi with friends and family becomes a memorable activity. It's not just about the final design, it's about spending quality time together, sharing laughter, taking photos, and creating beautiful memories. One more interesting reason is the endless variety of designs. Some girls love traditional Indian patterns, while others prefer Arabic, Pakistani, Moroccan, or minimalist designs. There are floral patterns, mandalas, peacocks, bridal designs, finger Mehndi, backhand designs, and even modern geometric styles. No matter your personality, there's a Mehndi design that matches your style. Many people also believe Mehndi has a natural cooling effect on the skin. Traditionally, it has been used to help people feel refreshed during hot weather. While experiences may vary from person to person, this traditional belief has been passed down through generations. Social media has made Mehndi even more popular. Beautiful close-up photos and videos on Instagram, YouTube, and Pinterest inspire girls to try new designs for every occasion. Every festival brings fresh trends, and artists continue creating creative patterns that attract millions of views online. The best part? Mehndi is for everyone. You don't have to be a bride to enjoy it. Whether you're attending a college function, celebrating a family event, or simply love decorating your hands, Mehndi lets you express yourself in a beautiful and creative way. So, the truth is simple. Girls love Mehndi because it combines tradition, fashion, creativity, and celebration in one beautiful art form. It makes every special occasion feel even more memorable. If you love beautiful Mehndi designs and want fresh inspiration every day, don't forget to subscribe to Tattoo 18 for more amazing design ideas and creative body art content. See you in the next video.